Check 1, 2, 1. Oh, hi. We're just doing a sound check for the Office Professionals Breakfast here at the Pullman Hotel on Friday 1st of May. I'm Richard Champion. Alongside Madonna King will be your MCs with some massive guests. Dummy M will be performing. Chrissy Swan will be here as well. Very, very funny girl. But bosses, GMs, managers, please bring along your PAs and EAs because, well, this is your way of showing your appreciation of just how much work they do for you. We all know it goes unnoticed at times. So it should be a fantastic morning. Love to see you here. Okay.